The latest RTX 4090 GPUs offer incredible ray tracing capabilities up to 8K 60Hz gaming and 24GB of super-fast GDDR6X memory to enhance your experience to another level. So today, in this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 best 4090 GPUs that can live up to the expectations of all types of users. So, let's get started. At number 5, we're introducing the Nvidia RTX 4090 Founder Edition graphics card, the ultimate powerhouse for gamers, creators, and professionals alike at the cheapest possible budget. With 16,384 CUDA cores, 328 Tensor cores, and 82 RT cores, this graphics card delivers unparalleled performance for demanding applications including gaming, 3D modeling, and video editing. With a massive 24GB of GDDR6X memory and a 384-bit memory interface, you can handle even the most complex workloads with ease. The card also features ray tracing and DLSS technology, bringing realistic lighting, reflections, and AI-accelerated performance to your favorite games. And with a boost clock up to 2.52 GHz, you can handle even the most intense workloads with ease. The sleek design of the Founder Edition features a beautiful aluminum shroud. The dual axial flow-through fans keep the card cool and quiet, even under heavy load. The card is also equipped with HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4a connectors, enabling support for multiple displays and high refresh rates. So get ready to take your gaming and creative work to the next level with the Nvidia RTX 4090 Founder Edition graphics card. Up next, we have the MSI Geforce 4090 Gaming X Trio, certainly the best-looking 4090 GPU at the moment. The card features MSI's Mystic Light RGB lighting, which allows you to customize the look of your card to fit your build. In all fairness, the minimalistic design coupled with the sleek RGB makes the card stand out as one of the better-looking variants currently available. You can also experience unmatched performance with the Gaming X Trio. MSI has included their Tri-Frozer 3 cooling solution, which provides improved heat dissipation in order to cool down the monstrosity that is the Geforce RTX 4090. In addition to that, the cooling solution is equipped with the 3 of MSI's Torx 5 fans, which come with increased airflow along with some design improvements. The card's huge 24GB of GDDR6X memory and a 384-bit memory interface let it tackle even the most demanding tasks with ease. With its ray tracing and DLSS technologies, which add realistic lighting, reflections, and AI-accelerated performance, you'll experience spectacular images in your favorite games. You'll also experience ultra-smooth gameplay and lightning-fast rendering with its boosted clock up to 2.61 GHz. So take your gaming and creative abilities to new heights with the MSI Geforce RTX 4090 Gaming X Trio. Simply install it and enjoy the unrivaled performance. Moving on, we have the Gigabyte AORUS Geforce RTX 4090 Master. The card's design is surprisingly unique, featuring a black and gray color scheme with flashy RGB on the front. This card delivers unmatched performance for even the most demanding applications, including gaming, 3D modeling, and video editing. And with a boost clock up to 2.55 GHz, you'll experience ultra-smooth gameplay and lightning-fast rendering. But what really sets the AORUS Geforce RTX 4090 Master apart is its advanced cooling system. Featuring 6 unique heat pipes, a large copper-based blade, and triple 115mm fans, this card provides exceptional cooling performance even under heavy loads. And with the silent mode that reduces noise levels to a whisper, you can focus on your work or game without any distractions. You can always customize the look of your card with AORUS RGB Fusion 2.0 lighting, which offers a variety of lighting effects and synchronization with other AORUS devices. Also, you can benefit from support for multiple monitors and high refresh rates using HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4 connectors. All things considered, the ASUS Geforce RTX 4090 sets the bar high with its remarkable design and great thermal performance. It makes more sense to choose a liquid-cooled GPU instead of an air-cooled one, especially if you have limited space in the casing. With air-cooled GPUs now taking up to 4 slots, a liquid-cooled model such as MSI's Geforce RTX 4090 Suprim Liquid becomes a far more practical option. Speaking of cooling, the MSI Geforce RTX 4090 Suprim Liquid comes with MSI's Toxer Fans 5. MSI claims that this 95mm fan provides a 10% increase in its overall airflow compared to their previous generation fan. Moreover, MSI has included 2 of their Silent Gale P12 fans with a 240mm aluminum radiator. With a custom-designed water block, this graphics card can handle even the most intense overclocking while keeping temperatures under control. Plus, with its zero frozer technology, the fans will stop spinning when the card is idle, ensuring silent operation and a longer lifespan for the fans. Unlike some other air-cooled variants, MSI has decided to tone down on the RGB side of things, only equipping the Suprim liquid with a single RGB strip which can be found at the edge of the 95mm GPU fan. You can also experience lightning-fast performance with a combination of 2.62 GHz clock speed and 21 gigabits per second of memory clock speed. All in all, the MSI Geforce RTX 4090 Suprim Liquid excels in every aspect. Its elegant black and gray aesthetic in combination with its impressive cooling performance makes it one of the best liquid-cooled RTX 4090 graphics card right now. Finally, we have the ASUS ROG Strix Geforce RTX 4090 OC Edition as our top pick for today's video. With the release of the Geforce RTX 4090, ASUS has unveiled their latest lineup for the relevant graphics card. With this OC Edition, ASUS has made this Strix 4090 the most powerful air-cooled GPU in their lineup. But that's not all. This graphics card also features ASUS's exclusive Max Contact technology, which increases the amount of contact area between the heatsink and the GPU for improved heat transfer. Plus, with its axial tech fans that have longer blades and a barrier ring to increase downward air pressure, you can enjoy silent operation and maximum cooling. One of the standout features of the ASUS ROG Strix is its RGB lighting. With Aura Sync RGB lighting, you can customize the lighting to your liking and synchronize it with other compatible devices for a cohesive lighting setup. The card also has a boost clock speed of up to 2.64 GHz and a memory clock speed of 19.5 gigabits per second. And if you're worried about connectivity, don't be. This graphics card has multiple connectivity options including HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4a, so you can enjoy high refresh rates and support for multiple displays. In short, the ASUS ROG Strix Geforce RTX 4090 OC Edition is what you need if you want top-tier performance, cooling, and customization options. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for instant notifications.